What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's just address the elephant in this room. I'm going blonde. I have blonder hair. It's still not the color that I want it to be. It is a little warm tone for me right now, but I am waiting for it to get cooler. I just need one more session and I should be exactly where I want it to be. I love the person who did my hair. She did an amazing job and she's so affordable. I'm in love with her. So in love with her. But besides all of this, today we will be reviewing Beauty Bakerie's new Cake Mix Foundation. I will leave the date right here when it is releasing. So we are gonna do a first impressions today, and I'm gonna kind of do a little unboxing with you guys with the PR package they sent me. All right guys, so this is the PR package they sent me. It is so freaking cute. Like, they have their packaging, their marketing is just so good. So good. I love their branding so much. I'm obsessed with it. They have the cutest branding of all time. It all has to do with bakery items. For example, they have these cute little blending eggs that actually come in a little egg carton, guys. Like, is this not the cutest thing you have ever seen in your life? It's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. So inside here, it comes with 6 blending eggs. We are gonna be testing out these blending eggs today too, to see how well they perform, to see actually if they're any good, if they're anything compared to the Beauty Blender or the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Right now they feel pretty hard. I'm not going to lie, They feel a little hard, but we are gonna wet one and see exactly how they come out. But for 6 blending eggs, I think that the price is really, really great. Also, I do wanna mention that I have fallen in love with this brand. I have never tried this brand at all, but I've already fallen in love with it just because I went on their website and I read the story of the woman who started Beauty Bakerie, and her story is so inspiring. She's amazing. She is an amazing woman, and I wish them all the best in all of their endeavors. I'm hoping that these products stand up to how cute they are, really. But I can't wait to try out more of Beauty Bakerie's products, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna wet this little egg and I will be right back. Okay, first off, whoa, this egg got so big. Look at the size comparison. It got huge, okay? I will say that compared to my Real Techniques sponge, even though this one is dry, feels a little more squishy than the blending egg, but we can't really judge it until we've tried it on our face, right? So let's do just that and take out these Cake Mix foundations. I actually got sent 3 shades, so I am gonna be showing you all 3 shades and testing to see which one matches my skin the best. So I have the foundation right here. Guys, this is so cute. It's so cute. First of all, it looks like a little cake mix box. Like, it's just the cutest thing in the world. And it has this little mirror here, or window opening thing, where you could actually see the product, and you could also pull it down from here to actually take it out. So this is the shade 27, it says it right here on the side of the box once you open them. So I guess it doesn't really say it on the actual box. Maybe in stores it will say it on the box, but for me, once I pulled it out, it says 27. So let's try this shade out first. So this is the shade 27. I'm just putting it on my hand to swatch it first. It has a really nice yellow undertone. So this actually looks like it would be a great color for me. And this is the shade 31. I'm sorry if I'm really bad at swatches. This one looks a little bit lighter. Actually, you could see that these are starting to dry down and oxidize. Or oxidize, I don't know why I said that so weird. But it's turning a little bit orangey. So maybe this 31 might actually be my color. But I do have 1 shade more to test out. So let's test that one out. And this is the shade 29. So this one is definitely lighter than all the other ones. I am gonna let them dry down a little bit and come back and show you the swatches. All right guys, so these are the shades pretty much dried down. You could see that they dried down pretty matte. I think that the middle shade is the one that I'm gonna go for. My hand will always be darker than my face, so I'm pretty sure that middle shade is going to be it for me. The one right over here is a little bit orangey, and camera doesn't look that orange, but in person it looks pretty orange. The middle one is yellow undertoned, and this one over here seems to be neutral undertoned, as you can see. So I'm gonna assume that either this one or this one are my actual color for my face. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the bottle. It is a frosted glass bottle, so the color can be a little bit deceiving. In this packaging, I wouldn't have expected that this would be my color. I actually would have thought that this shade 27 would have been my color. Maybe not. On camera, it looks a little bit dark. But in person, I would have thought that 27 was my color, but the shade 31 is actually my color. And I will say that I think in this line, the higher you go, the lighter it gets. Beauty Bakerie, they know what they're doing when it comes to packaging and marketing, and just like their whole branding thing is just amazing. I will say it does have a pump, which is awesome. Hello, who doesn't love a foundation with a pump? I know I do. If it's not a pump, it better be a squeezy tube. That's all I'm saying. And I just want to read to you guys what it says on the back of this foundation to let you know a little bit more information. So it does say, our cake mix is an oil-free demi-matte foundation that offers medium to full coverage. With a lightweight texture, your skin will look and feel natural. Vitamins A, C, and E are infused to make sure that your baked beat will be a healthy one. For more of a matte finish, set your foundation with our flower setting powder. I actually don't have the flower setting powder, but I do actually really want to buy it. They're gonna open a Riley Rose near my house, and I am just waiting to run over there and get a flower setting powder. But like the foundation said, this is a demi matte. My skin has been really weird lately. I'm between some days being very oily and some days being very dry. So I'm kind of an open book to trying this. We'll see how it works on my skin. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna use my blending egg to blend it out on one side. And I'm gonna use my flat top kabuki from Elo Cosmetics on the other side, the other one. So I did watch Jackie Ina's tutorial on using the cake mix foundation, and she said it dries down very quickly. So I'm actually just gonna pump it to the back of my hand. Very hygienic, I know. And I'm gonna take, with my finger, I'm just gonna dot it where I want it. Yeah, and I think this color will work for my skin right now. Okay. First thing I will say, this beauty blending egg, it's kind of hard. Like, I feel like I'm beating up my face, and it's kind of just absorbing the product into it. I don't know if I'm loving the eggs. So this is one layer with it on my face. I wouldn't say it's full coverage. I would say it's probably medium to full coverage. But I am gonna do another layer of it on my face to see how it layers on top of each other. So I'm just gonna use the rest of that pump on this side. And I'm not using a primer because normally I don't really use primers. I don't love primers. I haven't found one that has really wowed me. So I'm not gonna be using any today. Okay, so that's 2 layers on my face, and I'm still just seeing medium coverage. I'm definitely not seeing full coverage. It is, oh, it dries down to like a velvety texture. It's not sticky at all. So I really like that. And looking in the mirror, I can see that it does really dry down fast because I didn't blend well enough right here, and I could actually see the little lines where I didn't. So definitely use it in sections. Use this product in sections. That's really a huge tip with this. But skin-wise, I do like how it's sitting on my face. I think it has a really pretty color. I think that the texture is really nice. I feel like it's not really accentuating my pores. And I do have quite big pores right in this section. It's not setting into any of my fine lines. Smile test. Nope, not setting into any fine lines, so I really do like that. So now I'm gonna go in on the other side and see how it looks with my flat top kabuki brush. I am gonna still work in sections because as you and I both saw, this dries down really, really fast. Okay, so that's only one layer down on the side where I'm using my kabuki brush, and I already can see a huge, huge difference in the blending and how even it is. I think that the blending eggs just absorb way too much product. Like, you could see the product actually sitting in there. And that's really just a waste of your hard-earned money because all of your product is going into your sponge and not on your face. So I do suggest that just pass up on the beauty eggs. So sorry, Beauty Bakerie, but pass up on the beauty eggs and use your own favorite brush or sponge. So since one side is super even and the other is not, I am just gonna finish this side up with my kabuki. Okay, so that's the product all nice and even on my face. Just looking in a mirror, I think that it looks so good. I actually think it looks really, really good. It's making my face look flawless and all one texture, one color. So if you do layer it on enough, it does give you really good coverage, but I will say that I do think it's actually medium to full coverage. With the egg, it's actually light to medium coverage. So I'm really liking it so far. I am gonna finish putting on all of the rest of my makeup and I will come right back to you to give you my final thoughts. All right guys, so I just finished applying all of my makeup and I am back to give you my final thoughts on the product. I actually have been wearing this product for about 3 hours now. I stopped and I had a little bit of lunch, just a little bit. And actually, I think it looks amazing. I think it actually looks really, really good, guys. I'm very, very surprised. I'm not super into matte foundations. And although this one does say it's a demi matte, I would say this one's a complete matte. I didn't have to set my face at all. It's not sticky, it hasn't transferred. I think it looks really, really nice. It did such great things for my pores, such great things. I feel like I don't even have pores at the moment. So I'm really, really enjoying it. And I actually think that I'm gonna bring this foundation with me to California and I'm gonna test it out a little bit more. So I will be giving you guys a little bit more thoughts on these on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing? My Instagram is @HighOnLifestyle with 2 E's at the end of it. So definitely go give me a follow, and in a few weeks I'll do another review of this foundation, or I'll just put it in one of the captions below in a video where I will be wearing this foundation. But for right now, I am really, really loving it and I definitely recommend it. I will put the price of how much it is right here again. And I definitely think that you guys should give it a try. Give this brand a try. It's made by someone so amazing. It's a single mother. She is such a boss, such an empowering woman. I'm obsessed with her now. So give your hard-earned money to this lady. She's really, really good. And these products are really, really good. I can't wait to try the rest of their products. I probably will get some more of them as soon as the Riley Rose opens up in my neighborhood. So excited for that. And I'm so excited to see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and love you guys.